Welcome to the new series that we're going to be trying on this channel, where we're going to be playing games of the scary nature in groups of 3. For legal reasons, I must keep it that way. But let's begin. This game is called Something in the Woods. Let's just start. Where's my mouse gone? Oh, okay, there. Okay. I don't know if this is a cutscene or what. I'm in a car. Huh? I need to get coffee. Oh, it's a VHS horror game. We'd love to see it. Oh, the view looks beautiful though. The view actually looks beautiful, what the heck? Is this supposed to be a horror game? Alright. Lone, okay, yes. That's what you call a singular file, if you have one. Are those Lucky Charms? Those look oddly familiar. Uncanny. I don't know, I'm not American. We don't have Lucky Charms there. If we do, I don't know. That is Rice Krispies, 100%. We have those in the UK. Are those fruit? Well, I don't know what that is. That's supposed to be Fruity Loops? I don't know. I'm healthy. You don't get these bad boys from eating Fruity Loops. Alright. Where's the coffee machine? Oh, here it is. How do I get coffee? Oh my goodness, the FOV is awful. Oh. Donuts. Oh. Miss it. Wait, hold up. Did that just come up now? Or was that there before? You do not look like you're happy in that picture. Maybe going missing was right for you. You know what? I should take that back. These are probably real people. Can I? E? Spacebar? Oh, spacebar. I probably should have read the text file that had the instructions in it. I should go to the counter to pay for it first. Okay. I don't know in what universe you don't take the cut there with you to pay. Okay. There's no one here. Oh. That is not a good sign. Hello. Of course. Go into the room with his blood outside. Oh my goodness, he is missing his head. That does not look good. Why is FOV so bad? Hello? I guess we just keep going this way. Whoa, why have I got a revolver all of a sudden? Half smoked, still burning cigarette? That's weird. Someone must have left it here while they're pumping the gas. Don't ever take a cigarette to a gas station. Unless you want to kill everyone. Okay, I'm assuming I just follow the blood. You know, when has that not been a good idea? You know, I just want to roll my sleeves up real quick. Sorry guys. It's not for you, for me more than anything. I just like having my sleeves a bit rolled up. The bottom parts of my t-shirts. You know, it just looks nice. They're normal. But you know, this little bit rolled up looks nice. Alright. I don't want to shoot because I don't know how many bullets I have. This looks oddly dark. Very dark indeed. What is that? Yes, exactly. You took the words right out of my mouth. What the frick was that? There's a lack of blood. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, is that a torch? How convenient. Can I take that, please? Okay, I'm guessing we go this way then? These are very low temps. Oh my goodness. Day 4. I'm just here all alone. in the middle of the woods. Well, not exactly. There's a gas station around 10 minutes away, but it's my first camping trip, so you gotta start somewhere. I've been trying to climb the mountain, and I definitely made progress from the first day. It's challenging, but I think I'll do it tomorrow. I've also been just sitting here by the fire, enjoying the silence and nature. It's really great, except for the weird animal, almost human, bone-chilling screams in the middle of the night. Okay, I would have left that forest if I heard that. The first night, they were far from the woods and the mountain, but slowly over the days, they've been getting closer to me. Last night, I heard them really close, maybe 35 feet from my tent. That's very, very accurate measurement, my friend. That night, I also heard something walking around my camp. I pray to God that it's just some animals. Putting that aside right now as I write this journal, I'm preparing some beans on toast. This guy's from the UK. I really like these beans from the gas station. They're really delic. Was that supposed to say delicious? What was that sound? I guess those are the beans. Oh, he had a lot of beans actually. Where am I going? Okay, I guess we follow the blood. This game is so dark, guys. Whoa! 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 What are you doing up there, sir? Man? Person? They, them? I'm tripping out on LSD right now. Look at my vision. It is so dark in this game. I'm gonna have to bump up the brightness. You guys. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? I didn't realize I was playing Valorant. Do I have to stop and shoot? Oh man, it blew all over again, right? Oh no. Oh, there was a note here we didn't read. Hey, if you got outside for a smoke or something, maybe you should go in pairs. Because I recently heard some weird noises in the wood, and they were almost human-like. It's probably like wolves or mountain lions, but still, be careful outside. Listen to the sounds. I don't know how I didn't see that. Okay, we've read that. Now we're going to go back to the torch, and then we're going to follow the blood. That was a good jump scare. The first one. That's the thing with jump scares, one and done, that's it. Really. Alright, let's get rid of this guy now. You can't, can I not kill him?
A few moments later.
Oh, I guess that did the job. They don't call me cowboy for no reason. I need to report all this shit. I have a radio in my car. Oh my goodness. Is this thing just, did it die or did it just go to the side? I can't shoot anymore. That thing's not dead. There's no way that thing's dead with one bullet to the head. I'm going to get jump scared when I get to my car. It's very convenient with me to have a revolver. I wonder if I have a concealed carry permit. I don't know how that stuff works, I'm not American. I'm assuming I do. Oh, I'm a policeman. Hey, open my... Oh, the game is closed. I guess that's the end. What the... Okay. Well, that was something in the woods. Let's go on to the next one. But you might be wondering, why am I now wearing a hoodie? I might have, or might not have, changed the scenes when I was recording my other games, so now you're never going to see those until I redo them. So, second game is going to be called Mannequins, I think. Let me Mannequin. I'm gonna play this one because so Markiplier doesn't have to. You're welcome, Mark.
Well,
Alright.
this store isn't at all what I pictured.
I don't know, look up.
Excuse me, but it shouldn't matter if I bought these clothes 3 months ago.
Hey.
So curse you. And this store as well.
Oh, it's a Karen. We'd love to see it. Wait. I couldn't even see your face.
Like I even care to make anyone happy. Go home, old lady.
Oh, I can walk straight away. You'd love to see it. Some keys there, that looks like they're gonna be important. I can't collect them. Why are my controls? Option. Alright, whatever.
What the hell?
Oh.
I need to check the circuit in the back.
Oh my goodness, yeah, these mannequins are pretty detailed though. Is the front of the store? Yo, my breathing does not sound healthy. Yo, how? Hello?
What just happened?
What are you doing here? And why are you so sassy with your pose? Are they all that sassy? Look. I don't want no weeping angel shit going on here. That's Doctor Who exclusive, alright? It's not Doctor Who. Stay away from me. Can I run? Oh, I can't run. Oh my goodness, I don't want to run.
Locked. So electric doors are out too. Forgot the master key at the desk.
Don't make me go to the desk again to get the key. I hate this game. Also, why is this place so inconveniently? Who designed this store layout? Oh my goodness. Stay away from me. This is a bright phone though, I'm not gonna lie. Torch light from the phone is huge. Can you not T-pose, please? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's getting too close now. I'm having too much fun with this. What the heck? She looks like she's dancing there. Hey yo, no, they do not have any cheeks. Guess they had to nerf the mannequins somehow. Can you not? Imagine there's a mannequin right behind you. Are you being serious? Are you actually being serious? What is this BS? Oh. Why? Are there so many mannequins here? Look. I'm just gonna ignore them, they don't exist. You guys don't exist? Okay, let's just... Oh, no.
Oh my god.
Wait, am I in the back rooms?
What is this?
No way. Are you being serious? I'm in the back rooms. What is going on? Look. I don't want to play in the back rooms right now. This stupid creepypasta! Oh, it doesn't want to stop. It wants to keep chasing me. Run, 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 run! You have a very good stamina, young lady. Right. Or maybe it's adrenaline kicking in. My goodness, that thing will not stop. That thing will not stop. Yeah, I would have to take a break, yeah? Not gonna lie. after all this running. I would stop. I'd be like, ah, just give me 1 second, mannequin. Got the exit over there. I don't know, I can't tell. This is just the back rooms. I don't like the back rooms. Everything looks the same. God damn it. I'm just gonna keep going forward. I hope for the best. Oh. What the? What was the point of that? I thought the game was gonna end. They caught me. Evidently not. I think I have to actually find an exit. Alright, relax. Stop hyperventilating. It's not that scary. They're just mannequins. Alright? They're just going to remove your soul from your body. It's okay. I guess nothing happened. Oh! No. No! Cool. Now I think we go back. On the left now? Yeah. I think this is the exit now. Right? Okay. Oh. Chase him, it's chasing. Oh. What the heck? I'm so confused. Oh. Okay, well, that was mannequin then. Alright, on to the next game. Okay, so the next game is a missing hiker. I'm assuming it's about a hiker that's missing, but you know, you'll never know with these things. So, let's put the volume down a bit. For me, because goddamn, these games are loud. Right. There was a YouTube at the start, I don't remember seeing it, but I'll put the YouTube or whatever in. If there's a YouTube there, I'll put it in the description. Okay, December 11th, 1994. That's before I was born. My brother Ethan is missing, or has been missing for around 24 hours. We went on a hiking trip near the Red Mountain. He should have come home yesterday. I went to the local police, and they said they don't have the resources for the search right now, which sounds pretty much about right. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, this is an American car. I hate it. You need to drive on the right side of the road if we're in America. Oh yeah, it is an American game. I'm glad there's cars though. I thought there was going to be no cars whatsoever. I should park at this gas station and ask for my brother. You know what? We shouldn't really be parking here, but I bet you it lets me park it. Oh, it doesn't. I was about to say. Oh, there's a car park here. Oh, I can just exit the car whenever I want. Alright, say less. Yeah, I'm tall. Oh my goodness. This guy is tall. I don't like this already. Alright, goddamn. Alright, let's go. I'm not gonna question anything. His forearms are huge. What can I do for you, sir? I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking around this area. He should have come home yesterday. Have you seen him? How does your brother look like? How's your brother look? He has brown hair and is pretty tall, and he's also the green backpack. That is such a vague description. Let me think for a second. Yes, I think I saw you, brother. You came in here and bought a few things, some water and a few snacks. We're trying to find him. Have you told the police already? Yes, I did, in fact, but they said they don't have the resources for a search right now. They said they only start a search if a person is missing for more than 48 hours. Yeah, that's true. It isn't the first time someone went missing in this area. At least a handful of people went missing there in the last decade. Oh, in the last decade? Bro, I thought you were going to say in the last week. People talk a lot. I've heard rumors that there are strange screams and weird noises coming from the woods. You should be careful, especially going there at this time of night. There's a road right behind the gas station leading to the mountain. Make sure to stay on it. There could be dangerous wildlife in that area. Thanks. I'll make sure to stay safe. Take care. Okay. No. Let me talk to this guy real quick. What do you? Oh my god. Alright, sorry. I'm searching for my brother. He went missing while hiking in this area. Sorry to offend you, pal, but that's not my problem. Also, you shouldn't just randomly approach people like this, especially in this area. What do you mean? Look, man. Hey, look, man. I work pretty late. I just want to grab some snacks and beers and drive home. I'm not in the mood to talk with people I don't know. I understand. Sorry for bothering you. Oh, we're polite. We are so polite. That guy, he is not polite. Why is it so dark? Like, we haven't even left the vicinity of the gas station yet. Fair play. Oh. Don't tell me I have to walk there. Are you being sick? I drive up here. I bet you I could drive up here and I've just decided to walk up here instead. This is a decent flashlight compared to the other games we were playing. Flashlights in those were so awful. Ugh, I hate this already. Why is the ground so crunchy? Super crunchy, even for a pathway. They're not normally this crunchy. This thing sounds like I'm stepping on Rice Krispies. Crackle, snap, and pop. What the heck is that? Do I investigate? Of course I do. My brother's tent looks entirely different. I should take a closer look. How do you know that's his tent? Was he the only one that bought that tent? Ooh. Oh, whoa, who the F are you? You scared the shit out of me. I scared you. I almost had a heart attack myself. What do you want? I hope you're not some kind of pervert or creep. I'm not. I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking in this area. Have you seen him? Nope, I haven't seen him. Wait. You don't even know how he looks like, or what he looks like. Look, man, I'm just some guy that likes to hike in the woods and sleep in a tent in freezing conditions. I haven't seen anyone in days. I understand. You're planning to go deeper into the forest? Yes, I'll search around the area. I hope I can find my brother, or at least traces of him. Look, you'll probably think that I'm a stone or something, but last night I had my tent a bit up north, and I heard some weird noises coming from the woods. It sounded like a child was crying, but I didn't see anything. It creeped me out. Maybe it was a cryptid. What the heck? A what? Look, man, you carry? What do you mean, a gun, dude? I'm talking about a piece, you know, a gat, a glizzy, a pow, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about a piece, you know, something for protection. You mean a gun? No, I don't. Then you shouldn't be here in the first place. It's way too dangerous to go deeper into the forest at night. I'm not going to stop you, I just want to sleep now. Also, one last thing. Don't creep up on a tent in the woods at night ever again. I almost would have shot you. Well, I guess I'm glad you didn't. Me too. Good luck with the search. That is such a weird conversation to have, I swear to God. Alright, I'm guessing we're going this way. Where am I going? How is this guy trekking through this snow still? And he's not even got... I just have a tent on the left side of the road. I'm freezing. Let's eat to place a tent. What? I'm so confused. My fingers are numb. It's hard to build a tent. I don't know what this guy's doing. But okay. Oh, this is a big tent. Oh my goodness. This is a luxury tent. It's cold, but I'm falling asleep slowly. I think I heard someone scream. If not, not sure if that was something original. What? I need to check. Could be my brother screaming for help. Is that screen cover? Oh, it's this way. It's a little deeper in the woods. I need to go see if that's my brother. I feel like they could have increased the density of the trees as well. I'm not rocking up to a gated area with a house in it. Like, what? What? My flashlight is not working. Okay, it's working again. Oh, that's my brother's bag. Wait, the backpack is completely empty. Nothing in here. Or nothing's in here. Okay, let's go. Let's go die. Oh, that is so inconvenient, man. Come on. That looked like a body slow out on the floor. I don't want to go in here anymore. I don't like it. Oh, this is creepy. What the heck? What the hell? Someone made a picture of my tent and my car. Yo, that is a big Polaroid picture coming out of that small camera. Not gonna lie to you. Whoever's in here does fast work. I'll tell you that now. Oh my goodness, it's a chain. Just give me some Dead by Daylight vibes. What the? Okay. Is that it? There's no bed. Where did you sleep, my guy? Why is the lights off? That is a real question. I guess there's nothing else for me in here. Guess that's the end. Your body was never found. Oh, rest in peace. Let me find out if there's another ending for this real quick. And if there is, we'll try to get that. If not, then leave it at that. Shorter experience. I think that is it. I think that was it. Okay. Anyway, in that case, we will leave it there. That was this episode of Scary Games. And I will see you guys next week for the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys there. Peace.